Hello students. Today we discuss about Foundation English. Foundation English is the basement of academic in writing, speaking, listening, etc. To develop English, foundation plays a major role. There are many units which is used in Foundation English. First one is prose, poetry, one-act plays, grammar, and communication. In our prose, there are four lessons. First lesson is patriotism beyond politics and religion. Second one is the wicked prince. And third one, the last leaf. And finally, what happens when we all have dog's ear. This is about prose. Next, poetry. It consists of four poems. First one, a red rose. Second, a psalm of life. Third, La Belle Dame Sans Mercy. And fourth, the unknown citizen. And next we move on to one act plays. It consists of two dramas. First one is The Dear Departed, and second one is Under Fire. Next, we are move on to grammar section. Grammar, we already know in your previous classes the rules and regulation in English, how to speak, how to write is used by grammar. First one, adjectives. Second one, direct and indirect speech. Third one, mind map. Fourth, notice. And fifth, expansion of proverbs. And finally, we move on to communication. Communication is nothing but an message passes from one to another and get an information is called communication. In that, two topics is discussed. First one is different types of asking. We can ask by WH question, who, when, where, like that. Next one is yes or no type question. Yes means yes, no means no. Then finally, tag questions. And second unit, we discuss about group discussion. And discuss about orally about anything is called group discussion. This is about the foundation English, prose, poetry, one act plays, grammar, and communications, etc. Next, in that prose, we discuss about first topic, that is patriotism beyond politics and religion. So, it was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We already know Abdul Kalam is the former president of India. He was born in 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram. He studied in Madras Institute of Technology and he later joined in ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Then the first satellite he launched as a launcher of SLV-3 is a successful launcher. And finally, he awarded Bharat Ratna in 1997. He had collaboration with Dr. Amartya Sen, whom was very famous in economics and physics. Both were joined together and formed an nuclear weapon test in 1998. It was well succeed and he had many ideas to create the citizens to develop. He mainly based on the youth confirmation. He always thinks about to develop the nation in many ways. For example, The politics and the religions are always had and two eyes. First of all, we discuss about politics. In politics, Mr. A.K. Antony, he was former Chief Minister of Kerala. He is a Christian, but he wants to wear dhoti in a Tamil traditional dresses. In what I said is about, he already is a Christian, but he wear the dress about Tamil traditional. It brings the unity in diversity. India had many different types of foods, dresses, languages, but we can discuss what is diversity. The diversity is nothing but the difference, but we combine together as a nation of India. Like that, we already know A.R. Rahman. He is a famous music director. He is a Muslim, but he sings a song of Vande Mataram in Tamil version. It was more succeeded, and all are confirmed that the Hindus, Muslims, Christians all are together as a brothers and sister in Indian nation. So here I discuss about APJ Abdul Kalam is an patriotism. He begins what is politics and religion. There is nothing but all are same. And finally, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had an mission 2020. He discussed always about the students' development and youth development, which is the main basement of nation. In the year 2015, 27th July, at the speech in Shillong School near Meghalaya in India, he had major heart attack and passed away. Whether he was passed away, but his soul and his ideas, thoughts would to be promoted to all youths and students. Today, the class about Foundation English prose in the section Patriotism Beyond Politics and Religion. So, we already know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and his life activities. Now, I tell that one marks. We already discussed that Abdul Kalam was born in 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, India. This is very important one mark which is already or frequently asked in university. So students make note this first one mark and later ISRO abbreviation of they asked like abbreviation of ISRO Indian Space Research Organization. Then what award did Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was awarded in India in 1997? The answer is Bharat Ratna. This also very important one mark questions. So today we discuss about patriotism beyond politics and religion. It was written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Hope you all understand. Thank you.